Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tyson here with Prepare My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of surveys in ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we're going to be going over a new feature that was just rolled out, which is enhanced visibility of replies or responses to your surveys inside the platform, which basically just means if someone responds or you have multiple people responding, you can see it all in one area now, rather than going to each individual contact profile to view the submission information, right? That might seem confusing, whatever. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about here in a second. All right. So over here inside of ClickFunnels 2.0, just make sure that we're inside of survey workflows. If you do not currently have this app enabled or added to your workspace, go over here to the little plus icon, find survey workflows and enable inside of your account. If you have any questions around that, make sure to let me know down below. I do believe we have another video walking through that entire process, but either way, just go over here, add that to your workspace, and meet me back on this page. Now, I'm assuming that you've already added that. That's why you're watching this video. But anyways, inside of survey workflows, you'll see this page right here. This is the first initial screen where it'll show all of these surveys that you've created up to this point, right? The main thing that we're going to be covering is this guy right here, this little icon. This is the submissions overview, we should say, I guess, for your surveys. If we click on this directly, it'll take you to a new page just like this. And now you can see everything in one area, which is fantastic, right? Because before we would have to go to each individual contact profile by going over here to customers and going to contacts. And after that, click on the contact that you're trying to view information for. And then after that, you go to the marketing tab. There's just so many steps. So that's still possible. You can still go to each individual contact and view the submissions individually, but you can now view everything in one area, which is just as great, I mean, if not better. I like being able to see everything in one succinct area. So there's that. That's all we're covering here today. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around anything that we covered here or anything else within the platform, let me know down below, and I'll do my best to point you in the right direction and get you back up and running and all that good stuff. All right. Again, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video.